Hello everyone, and today I'm showing you how to build this really small 4x4 piston door. As you can see, it works. So you want to start with your 4x4 piston door layout. One block above the ground, place two droppers at the bottom on the ground, and then a lever on either of those. And I'm just going to build half of it, and then half of the other part. Okay, so now you want to place an observer facing upwards, a block, another observer like this, and a block, two blocks, a 4-tick repeater, a redstone dust, two observers facing upwards, and then place another block here, another redstone dust. Now do observer, block, dust, observer, block, dust, like that. Now you want to place an observer facing upwards with a piece of redstone dust like that. Two observers like that. And then two observers facing down. So like that. Now you want to get rid of these few blocks right now. Place a redstone dust, 1-tick repeater, and then 4-tick repeater. Over here you want to place two observers like that, and then a block. You also want to place a block to separate these two. Yeah, and then this is the first side. I'm just gonna do the other side. Okay, so now that I've copied everything from the other side, we want to do the next step, which is not the same, not symmetrical. So the first place two redstone dust like that, a repeater, a block, and then another redstone dust here. And then over here, starting with this repeater, you want to put an observer facing upwards, and then you want to just keep placing observers like this, a loop, and then bam. So you can probably just follow this, a sticky piston and another observer, and then that is literally it for the build. Yep, as you can see, this works as a 4x4 piston door, and hope you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.